Hello everybody, long time no see. It has been so long since I've uploaded an actual video on this channel and I'm really sorry about that. If you guys didn't already know, I was abroad in London the past semester and I was planning on posting a lot, but it just didn't end up happening. I don't know, the semester just got away from me, but if you want to see a glimpse into my study abroad experience, I posted a video a week or two ago of 1 second every day and I really liked the way it turned out. You guys seem to really like it as well, so that'll be linked down below if you haven't seen it. So today's video is going to be all about my goals for 2018 and kind of how I plan to achieve them. I wasn't planning on filming this video, but I got a couple comments on Instagram and Twitter for it, so here I am. I also thought this would be a fun video, just kind of ease back in, fill you guys in on my life. Super casual, I'm just in like a big crew neck as you guys can see. And yeah, let's just jump right in. So my first goal for 2018 is to travel more. Studying abroad really gave me travel fever. I know I've always had it, but it like really brought it out in me. I made a list in my bullet journal a couple days ago of like 5 places that I want to go to this year, or at least start planning trips towards. And I don't know how many of them are obtainable. I'm really hoping. Fingers crossed, I have a really cool spring break trip planned coming, so hopefully you guys will be seeing that soon. But some places, at least in the US, that I'd really like to go to is Athens, Georgia / Atlanta. I've never been to the area and I have so many friends from school that are from those areas and just say such good things about them. I'd really like to go. I've also never been to Boston. I think I'd really like the city and it's not that expensive to get to, so I'd like to go ahead and do that this year. And the last place in the States I'd like to go to is either New York again, or just like the city, or Austin, Texas. So fingers crossed I get to do at least a couple of those places this year. And then I also have 2 places that are on my like international wish list, but those are a little bit less obtainable right now. So fingers crossed they happen, and if I get confirmation on either, I will definitely share it with you guys and make videos about it, all that kind of stuff. So my second goal of 2018 is to grow my personal brand. You guys may or may not have noticed my channel name is now amyrauchyt instead of Amy D. Rauch. And I did this for a couple reasons. One, I think it looks more professional now on YouTube to have 2 names rather than like the 1 channel name. Second, I think it makes my channel a little bit easier. I've gotten countless emails addressed to Amy Droush. I've had name tags at conventions at Amy Droush, which is just like not my name. So I'm hoping that this will just completely eliminate that. And besides like changing my name, I want to change like my socials over to that handle as well. Working on Twitter and Insta, not going great. And just like produce better content, kind of really solidify my brand image, just all that kind of stuff, and build a better personal brand. I have some companies that I'd like to work with this year. You guys know I only work with companies that I really love. So hopefully some of those happen and kick up in production and all of that, but ideally I just want to grow and kind of solidify my personal brand, especially kind of approaching graduation. I think it's something impressive and it's something to show for myself, so I want to have it kind of like packaged and ready to show people. My third goal I stole from a couple of people here on YouTube. I know one of them was Danielle Carolyn. I don't remember who the other person I heard this from was. I think it might have been on Instagram. But basically they both said that they wanted to have a goal of making other people feel more valued, like in conversations or in hanging out. And I just thought that was such a unique goal and something I'd never really thought of. And I know I can like think of people in my life that always make me feel valued when I'm with them. And I think it's a really unique and like important goal to try to emulate that for other people. So I'm not exactly like sure the exact steps and like how I want to implement that yet, but that's something I definitely want to work towards in 2018. So my 4th goal for the year is to make more quality friends and invest in my friendships more. It's not that I don't have good friends now. I love my friends, they're all great, but I feel like I'm missing just like 1 or 2 very high quality like relationships in my life, and I think that that's something that more realistically will happen after I graduate and kind of relocate to a new city, meet new people. But in the meantime, I definitely want to put more effort and time into my relationships with the friends I have now, like spend more quality time and just like put my best foot forward with that, if that makes sense. And then my last one is just having a healthier lifestyle. I feel like everybody says this. It's just kind of like the cliche New Year's resolution goal for 2018. I'm really bad at drinking water. I go through phases where I'm like very active with drinking water and will drink like plenty a day, and then I go through phases where I'm like essentially in a drought of my body. So I want to make sure that I start drinking like at least a few cups of water a day. Like, water is so important for your body, and I'm definitely not getting enough, so I need to work on that. I want to work on eating more vegetables. I've really increased the amount that I have eaten in the last like 2 years. I will say it's very impressive. I came into college like literally only liking corn and like tolerating broccoli. Like I wish I was kidding with that, and now I'll eat almost any vegetable, and like I'm working my way up with being more comfortable just like eating a salad for lunch, but just making like healthier meal choices and incorporating more fruits and vegetables and whole foods into my diet. And of course, like everybody else, I want to exercise more. I really want to get into more like fitness classes, especially this summer, just because my school isn't really located near too many places that have like Pure Barre or spin, or there's not like a ton of options besides yoga where I am. But I definitely want to try a bunch of different classes and see what I like sign up for an Orange Theory class, a Pure Barre, Soul Cycle, just like things like that, and just like see what I end up liking best, if that makes sense. So those are my top 5 goals of 2018. Please comment down below what your goals are, or if you have any comments or feedback on my goals, I'd love to hear them. Also, if you guys have any video suggestions, I would love to hear them as well. I'm trying to get back into it, posting twice a week, as you guys will hopefully see. As per usual, all my social medias will be linked down below. And with all that being said, I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.